Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 6 data handling exercise 6.3. Before going to the exercise, let us see definition of median and some examples. See now first, what is median? The middlemost value of the data when the observations are arranged in either ascending or descending order is called median. That is, for the given data, first we have to arrange them in either in ascending order or descending order. Then after, in that given data, we have to choose the middlemost value, that is called as median. Now let us see some examples. See now example 4, find the median of data 32, 43, 25, 67, 46, 71 and 182. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered the given numbers, arranging the given observations in ascending order. Now we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now the observations are 25, 32, 43, 46, 67, 71 and 182. How many observations were given here? 7 observations. If n value is equal to odd number, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. That equals to n value is number of observations, that is 7 numbers were there. So n value is 7. Write down 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 means 8 by 2. 2 table 8 is 4 times. That is fourth observation we have to take. From the given observations, fourth observation is 46. Therefore, median is equal to 46. See now example 5. The monthly incomes of 8 members are 8,000, 9,000, 8,200, 7,900, 8,500, 8,600, 7,700 and 60,000 rupees. Find the median income. Let us see the solution. Given the monthly incomes of 8 members are, we have written the given incomes, arranging the given observations in ascending order. Now the ascending order of incomes is 7,700, 7,900, 8,000, 8,200, 8,500, 8,600, 9,000 and 60,000. Here number of observations were 8. So here n value is equal to 8. 8 is a even number. When number of observations is even number, we have to take this formula. Median equals to average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. That equals to average of n value is 8. So write on 8 by 2, comma, n plus 1 by 2, that means 8 plus 1 by 2. That equals to average of 2 table 8 is 4 times. So fourth observation, 8 plus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2 means 4.5. So approximately we will take the fifth observation. So average of fourth and fifth observations we are going to take. So median equals to fourth observation and fifth observations were 8,200, 8,500. Average means sum of those two values divided by number of observations, that is 2 observations by 2. So 8,200 plus 8,500 divided by 2. That equals to sum of these two values is 16,700 by 2. 2 tables 16,700, when you divide you will get answer 8,350. So median of incomes is 8,350 rupees. See now, check your progress. First sum, what is the median of first 7 prime numbers? Let us see the solution. First 7 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Given observations are in ascending order only, so we no need to arrange them in ascending or descending order again. Here number of observations is 7, so n value is equal to 7, which is odd number. So median formula is n plus 1 by 2. That equals to n value is 7 plus 1 by 2, that equals to 8 by 2. 2 table 8 is 4 times. So fourth observation we have to consider from the given observations. So here fourth observation is 7, therefore median value is equal to 7. See now exercise 6.3, first sum, find the median of the following. In that first sum, 7, 3, 15, 0, 1, 71, 19, 4 and 17. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered the given observations. Now we have to arrange the given observations in ascending order. See here, ascending order 0, 1, 3, 4, 7, 15, 17, 19 and 71. Here number of observations were 9. So n value is equal to 9, which is odd number. So median formula is n plus 1 by 2, that equals to n means 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2, that equals to 9 plus 1 means 10 by 2. 2 table 10 is 5 times, so it is fifth observation. So we have to consider median as fifth observation, which is equal to 7. Therefore median is equal to 7. See now first question, second sum. 12, 23, 11, 18, 15, 20, 86 and 27. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered the given observations. Now arranging the observations in ascending order: 11, 12, 15, 18, 20, 23, 27 and 86. If we count, number of observations were 8. So here n value is equal to 8, which is even number. So we have to find median, that equals to average of n by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2, that equals to average of, here n value is 8. So write down 8 by 2 comma 8 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2 means fourth observation. 8 plus 1 means 9. So 9 by 2 means 4.5. So we consider 4.5 as next observation, that is fifth observation. So we have to find now average of fourth and fifth observations. So median equals to, fourth and fifth observations were 18 and 20. So sum of 18 and 20 divided by 2, that equals to 18 plus 20, that is 38 by 2. 2 table 38 is 19 times. Therefore median of given data is 19. See now question number 2. The number of pages in textbooks of different subjects are 421, 175, 128, 117, 150, 145, 147 and 113. Find median of given data. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered given observations. Arranging the given observations in ascending order: 113, 117, 128, 145, 147, 150, 175 and 421. Here number of observations were 8. So here n value is equal to 8, which is even number. So median is equal to average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. n means here 8. So average of 8 by 2 comma 8 plus 1 by 2. That equals to average of 8 by 2 means 4. 8 plus 1 by 2, that means 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. So we will consider it as 5. So we have to find average of fourth and fifth observations. Here given observations, fourth and fifth observation is 145 and 147. Therefore median is equal to sum of 145 and 147 divided by 2, that equals to 145 plus 147, that is 292 divided by 2. 2 table 292 is 146 times. Therefore median is equal to 146. Therefore median of given data is 146. See now third sum. The weekly sales of motorbikes in a showroom for the past 14 weeks are 10, 6, 8, 3, 5, 6, 4, 7, 12, 13, 16, 10, 4 and 7. Find the median of the data. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered the given observations. Arranging the given observations in ascending order: 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 10, 10, 12, 13 and 16. Here number of observations were equal to 14. So n value is 14, which is even number. So median is equal to average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2, that is average of 14 by 2 and 14 plus 1 by 2. 2 table 14 is 7 times. 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 2, that is 7.5, which is taken as 8th observation. Therefore average of 7th and 8th observations we have to take. Therefore median is equal to 7th and 8th observations were 7 and 7. So 7 plus 7 by 2. 7 plus 7, that is 14 by 2. 2 table 14 is 7 times. Therefore median is equal to 7. Therefore median of given data is 7. See now question number 4. Find the median of 0.3, 0.25, 0.32, 0.147, 0.19, 0.2 and 7.1. Let us see the solution. Given data is, we have entered given observations. Arranging the given observations in ascending order, that is 0.147, 0.19, 0.2, 0.25, 0.3, 0.32 and 7.1. Here number of observations were 7. So n value is equals to 7, which is odd number. So median is equal to n plus 1 by 2, that equals to n means 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, that equals to 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. 2 table 8 is 4 times, so median is 4th observation. In the given observations, 4th observation is 0.25. Therefore, median of given data is 0.25. See now question number 5. If the median of observations 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, where x is greater than 0 is 28, then find the value of x. Let us see the solution. Given data is 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. And they have given median as 28. Arranging the given observations in ascending order, that is 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. Here number of observations were 5. So n value is equal to 5, which is odd number. We know median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. That equals to n value is 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that equals to 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. 2 table 6 is 3 times. So median is third observation. From the given observations, third observation is 4x. Therefore median is equal to 4x. That equals to, they have given median as 28. That implies 4x is equal to 28. Here 4 is going to multiply. On transposing it becomes divided by. So that implies x is equal to 28 by 4. 4 table 28 is 7 times. Therefore x value is equal to 7. Today we have seen chapter 6 data handling exercise 6.3 1 to 5 sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.